Dax79 here, about to review another random delivery from Amazon. So, shall we see what we got? Let's go for this one. What could it be? No idea. Grab him by his little smiley face eye and rip him open. Ooh! Some strip lights. These are TV strip lights. The ones behind my TV are cheap and nasty. They're like Pound World job lights. They've been on my telly for years and they're not very great, not very good. But these are made for the telly. With that including the app, which will download. Operations. Okay, cool. Massive remote. All the features. Cool. Excellent music sync of some sort. Which is very good. Got a little bit of plastic in here that's just making sure the battery's not getting used. Pull that out at the last minute. So this is a power pack. Got this here, controller. Oh, there we go. They've got the information there. Output, input. They smell very new. So you've got two rolls. So maybe one roll can go around the telly, and the other one can go somewhere else behind the telly to give more light behind the Sonos. We'll have a look, eh? So there's not a lot more I can do up here in my studio area. So the only thing I can think of is taking it downstairs and setting it up. Should we set these up? Now we're jumping off the fancy camera and we're going off onto the phone. So sorry for the quality about to drop now, but it's just the way it is. So just for a reference, let me just turn these lights on so we can see what they're like. These are the old ones. So we'll get center telly. There we go. Alexa, TV lights on. So there you go, that's basically as bright as they go. Let's go for one of my favourites, green. Right, so it's green, and it's as bright as it goes. I've had them for years. Right, let's see what we can do with these new ones. Right, so here we go. So I've now just put only half the LEDs in. I've left half of them out because there was just far too many. Ready? So Alexa, TV backlight on. It's better, isn't it? So that's quite nice. Let's see what it can do. So here's the remote control, comes with it. So we've got different colours. Red, green, blue. That's really bright actually, it's good, isn't it? That is good. So what else we got on here? We got that in. I see we can go white, down a little bit. Okay, we've got times, we've got jump. I don't know what jump means. I see, just jumps between colours. It says jump 3. This is jump 7. So that's on red. Oh, 5, 6, 7. I see, it's 7 colours. We've got fade. Quick fade like that. Got this weird little fade. We've got quick. We've got slow. Is that slow really? That's slow, yeah, I got it. Got flash. Got auto. Don't really know what auto is supposed to do. Then we've got sound. Sound. When I talk about things, it goes flash, flash. When I talk about things, it goes flash, flash. What's this? Number 2. Dum, dum. Doo, 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 doo. Yeah, that's quite sensitive, isn't it? Then we have talk to me to change colours. Boom, boom. And we got this one. Nothing happens until someone walks into the room. The cat walks in and its little feet go flash, flash, flash. Meow. That'd give someone a heart attack, wouldn't it, if they came in? Can you imagine trying burgling a place? And you walk in and they started doing that. It'd be crazy like, wouldn't it? Hey? That's sensitive, isn't it? How'd they do that? Well, so I guess if you're watching a film, it would be flashing all over the place, wouldn't it? Well, this is very cool. Anyway, so what I'll do is I will leave it here and say that for my review, I am going to give this little light kit, I'm going to give it a good old 5 out of 5. Brilliant price, stuck down really well. This is only half the kit for the TV. The other half is going back in its box. So I've got a spare set of LEDs. That's Dax79 reviews out.